everybody, this is Sharon Newlands from Carmack Counselling. Today I'm going to be talking to you about self-soothing using our 5 senses. But what are senses? Well, there's sound, sight, taste, smell and touch. I think it's really important to reflect that not everybody is going to be strong in all 5 senses. So where you're lacking sight, you'll make up in touch. Where you're lacking taste, you'll make up in sight. So try not to worry too much about that. Well, I'm going to go back to sound now. So what is out there for sound that might soothe you? Well, there's music. Music always makes people smile. It always triggers off certain memories of certain people and certain dates. You could always listen to modern day music or take yourself back in time to when you were a bit younger and share your old school music with your children. There's also apps as well. I love nothing better than a rainstorm. I love the sound of rain. So if I'm struggling sometimes, I plug in my earphones and I just sit and I listen to the good old storm. There's also meditation apps and there's quite a lot free at the minute. So have a look. Have a look what's on offer out there. Then you've got sight. What could you use for sight to help soothe you? Well, there's photos. You could bring out your old photo albums. Again, you could share your memories with your children or just reflect back on good old times of holidays and things like that. This one I find very, very important is visual. So FaceTime, Skype, things like that. I think everybody at the minute needs to feel connected to somebody. So visually seeing somebody would really, really help soothe you. Next, we're going to go on to taste. What could you do to soothe yourself with taste? Well, you could cook yourself your favourite meal. You could bake cakes. You could do things whereby it would trigger, again, happy memories. You could chew chewing gum, or you could do what I do, which is my go-to for soothing, and a cup of tea. Next, smells. I'm always triggered by a cinnamon candle. Will always, doesn't matter where I am, take me back to Christmas, as it probably does quite a lot of people, which always puts a smile on my face, always makes me feel relaxed and calm. So find your smell. What's your trigger smell that would soothe you? And it would be different for everybody. The next one is last, but it's not least. This one is so important, and it's touch. And what could you use for touch? Well, I've got dogs. I love my big beasts, so I'm always getting cuddles off them. Some people may struggle with touch, and that's okay. So you might not want to sit and cuddle with somebody, but you might find it more relaxing and comforting to wrap a blanket around you and give yourself a cuddle, and that's okay. It's also remembering that objects as well, they're okay. So if you do have stress balls or things like that, that you like to really, really squeeze and get a soothing from, that's important too. So find your touch. What is it that you like and what is it that soothes you? So that comes to the end of that. I hope you managed to find what it is that soothes you. And I hope this video helps. Thank you very much. Bye.